Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick, and in this video I want to show you everything that's included in PrintStick's newest release, the super cute winter bundle with over 1,000 stickers. So this sticker book, just like any other of PrintStick's bundles, is ready to be used in GoodNotes. So if I load it here, I'm gonna open GoodNotes. And all of these stickers that you see here, they are individual images that you can just lasso using your lasso tool, which is this icon up here. Select each of the stickers and then you can move it. If you tap again on that selection, you can select on copy. Then you would go to the page of your planner where you want to use it and then hit paste. If you are using GoodNotes, it's so easy to use all of these stickers. You don't have to worry about importing, cropping, or anything like that. If you are using a different app that is not GoodNotes, you will also receive all of the files as individual images with no background that you can use in other apps such as Notability or any others. You can still import all of those into the album. Alright, so let's just jump in and show you everything that's included. So I'm gonna go to my index. Remember that to go to your index, you can click on this spiral on any page and that will take you here. Now, these labels are just the labels that I added. You can delete them, you can relabel these sections, you can do whatever you want, but I just lay them out like this so it's easy for you to see where everything is located. To move between the sections, you can either use these tabs up here, those are links, or you can also click on these numbers, okay? So I'm gonna tap on number 1, and that's gonna take me to my boxes. If you've seen some of my videos, you can see that you can also edit these boxes and create new stickers to suit your needs, etc. I'm gonna go back to my index. I'm gonna go to the section number 2 for dates. So this is similar to the fall bundle. You have your date covers, but you have different colors that match the colors of the season. So you have your red and your green and your silver that could be used for Christmas, but you also have these tones that are just for winter in general. You also have days of the week over here to create your own dates or use some planners that you don't have dated. Going back to my index, then I tap on color kits. And this is probably my favorite section of this bundle because you have so many stickers. For example, if you're planning for Christmas, you could use this set and then you have all sorts of stickers. Remember that each sticker you can just copy and paste as many times as you need and then you can create your whole spread. So look at all of the possibilities that you have here. Really, truly, they are endless as you have so many options. So each kit consists of 3 pages with all these boxes and headers, and then you have the exact same kit but in other color combinations. Here you have it in some blues. Then you have it in this golden and silver combination. I like this one for, like, for example, New Year's. I think this is the perfect colors for that. Also for an elegant Christmas dinner, why not? These are not attached to any holiday, so you can use them anytime throughout the year. You have more than 1,100 stickers here ready to use whenever you need them. The last color combination is again using some wintry tones. I really like these ones as well, but of course you can use these for any other season if you want to. And finally, we do have another color kit, but this one is kind of a sampler. So you have all these different boxes, different shapes, all these icons for different occasions, and they all come in colors that will match the rest of the winter tones. You have a weekend banner, some check flags here, and there's a 3rd page with more shapes and flags, etc. I will go back to my index, and then we have the winter kit number 1 and winter kit number 2. So number 1 is 5 pages. You have some cute icons, some flags, you have your boxes in different colors, of course your headers and your half boxes, some date covers, weekend banners, habit trackers, and of course more boxes to decorate. You even have some washi down here. All of these sets are what I had in my shop. These were printables, but I just went back to the original files and exported them in this format, so you will have great quality and they are ready to use. So of course you can use the printables. If you already purchased them in the past, you can turn them into digital stickers yourself. I'm gonna link down below the video where I show you how to do that. But if you haven't bought anything and you just want to use this book, I think it's definitely worth it because I already did all of the hard work for you. So the next kit is again with these wintry tones, but here you have different patterns and more boxes that you can use in any of your winter spreads. Again, more headers, habit trackers, flags, functional icons, and you have some water trackers as well. I will go back to my index. Next we have the countdown stickers. So you have these ones that could be winter countdown. This could be countdown for any celebration that you want, could be for Christmas or winter or something special that you're doing. And then you have ones that are exclusively for Christmas. So, you know, these are very festive. They have Christmassy colors. Going back to my index, and then we have these gift reminders. I really like these ones and they're really useful, and you have a ton of different colors to match any spread, and really you can use this to mark down birthdays or anything that you want to remember to bring to a party or a dinner or anything. You can use these. Of course, these colors will look great in winter, but you can also use them for any other occasion throughout the year. And that's the idea with these bundles. You get so many stickers in so many different colors that you can use them throughout the year. Going back to my index, then I go to my icons section. So of course here I have my social media icons that I use a lot. You have them in different colors, but you also have some functional icons also in wintry colors. This covers a ton of different situations that you can track in your planner. Going back to my index, I have my Christmas kit. So this is yet another weekly kit with some like special Christmas colors. You do have some red and green, but you also have some blue and purple. It's kind of mixing all of the wintry colors along with the traditional Christmas colors. And it has a lot. It has your headers, it has your boxes, your flags, more functional icons. Going back to my index, I have my Christmas deco section, and here you have all these clip art. You have these coffee cups or hot chocolate or teacups, and I love this little winter man. I think it's super cute. And you actually have 4 pages of this, so you also have these little circles with more icons. You have your Christmas trees and of course your snowflakes and Christmas decorations, etc. We'll go back to my index. Next we have our washi section. So here you have these washi strips. If you've seen some of my videos, you've seen that I can edit these and modify them. I can, if I want, get rid of these uneven edges and I can make it just a straight line. These are actually non-transparent, and that's just a personal preference. Sometimes I like my washi to be transparent, sometimes I don't. For example, if I'm covering headers in my planner, usually those headers have a color, and if I use a transparent washi, the color might see through. So there's, you know, occasions where you would want to use transparent and non-transparent. Just so you know, these ones are non-transparent. But look at these designs. I mean, they're so cute. I really like them. We'll go back to my index, and next you have your New Year's spread, of course. So this is really cute too, very elegant, very festive. And you have all these icons that will help you celebrate New Year's. You have a total of 3 pages, and this time I added these borders and I think they're so cute. For example, if you're gonna be journaling and just writing here on the pages and you just want to use this tiny detail here to give it a little bit of color, decorate a little, it's so easy, so quick, and it looks really cute in my opinion. I'm going back to my index, and the last section we have is your digital papers. I have a video where I show how I use these to make your own stickers or your own washi, so I'm gonna link that down below. But just so you know, these are all of the patterns and colors that are included in this bundle. And if you keep scrolling left, you will have your completely blank page, and this page is here so that you can duplicate it and add it to any section that you want, so you can keep adding your own stickers. If you keep scrolling, you have the same, but this is actually like a gray color. In case you're using white stickers, you can see where they are. And lastly, you have the same, but this is a yellow tone again if you are using super light gray stickers, and so on. And of course you have your back cover as well. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. I really hope that you like this new bundle. I had a lot of fun creating it. It's gonna save you a ton of time because you already have so many stickers, so many colors, and so many options condensed in a single place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as I keep uploading new videos for digital planning with great tips and tutorials and product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye!